Okay, options for bath retrofitting, the how-tos. From a toilet install perspective, shut off the water and remove the existing toilet. Relocate the toilet if it's not accessible. Route the water lines as needed and install a minimum of a 16-inch toilet for ease of use. Be able to get off a small toilet is very difficult for people with mobility issues. Install the water connection, and if you can, install a bidet because boy, does that ever make life easier from a cleanliness standpoint. Route the electrical, reconnect the water, and then install grab bars if needed, floor or wall mark. Like I said, the height of the toilet can make a big difference. To be able to easily get up from a toilet without a struggle is very important to the mobility challenge. So there you go. That's a quick synopsis of how to do this. And what we're going to do is get you to take a peek quickly at who we are, barrierfreecontracts@gmail.com, 239-989-8406. Thank you very much.